About a month before Michael and Sabrina's wedding, I received a phone call about Michael. It was from his brother John.
Yes, lad. He had an accident last night. He fell off the balcony at the house. I'm in the room with him here now. The doctor says he's 2 broken vertebrae. He's a cracked skull, lacerated spleen, and a broken nose. Right now, I don't even know if he'd be able to walk down the aisle. They're going to do some more scans and tests, and hopefully we'll know more in a few hours.
It was a scary time for friends and family from all over the world, waiting for more news on Michael. Luckily, he was back on his feet and the doctor said everything was going to be okay. So we started our journey to Prince George, passing through some beautiful places along the way.
Telling everyone you're a dreamer. So you just light up another cigarette and you get real drunk. Telling everyone you ever met that you're born to be someone. Well, I know you're loyal as a dog and you've been through hell, but that's no excuse to lay down just yet. And all the while ain't getting younger. And I see you looking around like you're owed something. I don't know you a goddamn thing. And all the while ain't getting younger. So you just drift by a chip on the shoulder where you don't know why. Your compass is broke and you're finding it hard to breathe. So you just give up, you find another hole and you get fucked up. Telling everyone you ever met that you're born to be someone. Well, I know you're loyal as a dog and you've been through hell, but that's no excuse to lay down just yet. And all the while ain't getting younger. And I see you looking around like you're owed something. And I don't know you a goddamn thing. And all the while ain't getting younger. Yes, I know you're hell-bent on your own. You're never gonna know, you're never gonna know it again. It's different when you're young at heart and wild and living like you never will. All this time is to see 'em all line, see 'em all story again. Over again. And I know you're loyal as a dog and you've been through hell, and that's no excuse to lay down just yet. Oh, the while ain't getting younger. And I see you looking around like you're owed something. And I don't owe you a goddamn thing. And oh, the while ain't getting younger. And I know you're loyal as a dog and you've been through hell, but that's no excuse to lay down just yet. And oh, the while ain't getting younger. And I see you looking around like you're owed something. And I don't owe you a goddamn thing. And oh, the while ain't getting younger. And oh, the while ain't getting younger. And oh, the while ain't getting younger. Here come the girls, 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 girls. Here come the girls, girls, girls.
Looking so good, it's a doggone shame that they couldn't all be mine.
Here come the girls.
I'm talking about them fine, fine.
Here come the girls.
Here
turn me on.
That's hot. Good stuff. But hot.
Thinking about sunshine
dismal skies. I'm thinking about drinking, oh so nice. And we'll sit by the fire and bust out a few tunes. Cause going home is exciting. Having a smoke and saying a prayer. Cause there's nothing out there that's quite like this. Cause we all have the compass that points home, and driving down these windy, shitty roads, and we're thinking about the next time that we'll hang out. We're wondering whether she's single or she's not.
She was his cousin.
All right, lad. Aldi's boss.
You want me to clean it?
Right. Right. Okay.
Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Keep those bags and machines humming. Work and work. My fingers to the bone. Work. If I can't wait till it's time to go home. Hey, get your car washed today. Fill up and you don't have to pay. Come on and give us a play.
LD.
Hello? Hey, how's it going?
It's cancelled.
Not so bad. Yeah, we're sitting around getting a bit of breakfast here now. What are you at? Yeah, some breakfast, yeah. Ah, brilliant. Yeah, we're in the room here and Mum Cecilia are cooking us up some breakfast. Tasty stuff. Yeah, after this we're gonna have a few drinks, listen to some music, relax a bit. Alright, yeah, sounds good. We'll see you in the church.
Tell your stories, tell of your pain. That's what I came here for. And your children come and go as you weep. But what have I if I have not love? I am a waste. My words are empty vessels if I do nothing in this place. And we can scream into the shadows, and it's good that we can. But walk with me, I think we'll find a way. And walk with me, I think we'll find a way. But I'll meet you at the delta, where the rivers run into the sea. And I'll meet you at the delta. What's behind I can clearly see, but that beyond, that's beyond.
Being a best man is not an easy thing. I mean, you know, it's a wild lot of pressure. I'm sitting here, I had to eat my dinner full of nerves because I knew I had to make a speech. But you know what? Around a month ago, Michael fell out of a tree and my speech wrote itself. Who heard that Michael was saving a kitten from a tree? Okay, alright, that's good. Shame on you for believing it. Alright, who here heard that Michael was blind drunk and thought it would be a good idea to jump off a 2-story balcony onto the flimsiest tree in Ottawa?
So after a crazy week filled with amazing memories, someone thought it would be a good idea to put the Irish up against the Canadians in a tug-of-war competition. This didn't end well for the Irish, so we resorted to our stereotypical selves and challenged the Canadians to a beer drinking competition. This is the decider, round 3, and it's tied at 1-1. I'm still not sure if Brian got more drink on his tie than he did in his mouth, but it was these little moments that made for such an unforgettable week. A week that we weren't even sure would happen only a month ago. To Sabrina and Michael O'Hara. Oh yeah, there's one more thing.
Got Lil Wayne popping on my iPod, thumping on the subs in the back of my crew cab. Redneck rocking like a rock star, sling a little mud off the back, we can do that. Friday night football, Saturday last call, Sunday hallelujah. If you like it up loud and you're hillbilly proud, then you know what I'm talking about. Let me hear you say truck, yeah, wanna get it jacked up, yeah, let's crank it on up, yeah. With a little bit of luck I can find me a girl with a truck, yeah, we can love it on up, yeah, till the sun comes up, yeah. And if you think it's life I love is a little